Clergerie? Clergerie? Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Veronika, Mitka, or Veronika if you're American, that's fine too. And today we have another ThredUp unboxing. I will not lift up this heavy box in front of me because I just did to take the thumbnail picture, but she's here. This is a 15 pair shoebox that came from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, and we love the Pennsylvania boxes for the most part. Now this one is a little bit special because normally the 15 pair shoeboxes cost $80 plus tax and shipping. I don't pay tax and shipping anymore on these. I think it's because I order so much from ThredUp, they're just like, take it. But this box was for some reason listed for 50 bucks on the website, and my friend Kay, Passport and Pizza Pies, alerted me to it like the good ThredUp enabler that she is. So Kay, thank you so much for simply throwing the bait out there, and of course I took it and I went to the website and I bought a box. I don't know if this was an intentional sale. I feel like maybe an intern messed up and put in the wrong price for the wrong box because they didn't announce it. It wasn't advertised. There was nothing saying, oh, flash sale, look, 50 bucks, but it went through and that's all they charged me. I don't think I paid tax on it, but I think I paid shipping, so I don't know. But either way, this was a really great deal. I did the math. I think my average cost of goods is just under 4 bucks for this box of shoes, so per pair, less than 4 bucks, which I'm very happy with because that's about where I want to be with my average cost of goods for clothing. Shoes can be a little bit more expensive, but if there's a really good pair in here, then I'll be really excited. But if there's a bunch of crap in here, then I wasted my money, which we've done before on this channel. But let's just hope that out of these 15 pairs, there will be a few good ones in there that I can resell and make a profit on this box. I will slice it open. I ordered it a week ago and it came today, which is exciting because sometimes you have to wait for these boxes for quite some time. Recently mine have shipped within a reasonable amount of time, I will say. I mean, it says so right here. In case you don't believe me. Can you even see it? 15 pairs. Here we go. Let's dig into this box. Almost knocked over my ring light there. In excitement. We got polka dot paper. And I see sneakers and sneakers and more sneakers. Okay, first pair of sneakers is a pair of Asics. I'm not sure which style this is. I used to wear Asics a lot when I was still running. They do have a style number, so I will look these up. But these are a size 10 and they seem to be in pretty good shape. I might keep them for myself. One thing I always check for with running shoes, and I will say I don't really buy them. Did I even show them to you? Oh my god. This is them. I don't usually pick up sneakers and running shoes for reselling because a lot of runners are very specific with their shoes and they need to know how many miles have been. Really? We're only on the first pair. We're off to a great start. They want to know how many miles you've put on the shoe, and there's just no way of knowing that. I mean, I can look at them to determine if they're still in good shape. One thing I always look for, or would look for when I would buy running shoes, pre-owned, would be what the back cushioning looks like, because for some reason my feet are weird and this is always where it wears out. So there's some pilling there, but I can clean it up. So these are my size. They're not really my personal favorite color. I mean, the black is nice, the orange I don't care for, but these might be mine. I don't know how much Asics go for, so I never pick them up for reselling, like I said. I have another pair of Asics. Interesting. These are smaller, I can already tell, or are they? Yep, those are the size 8. Again, they do have a style number, but these seem to be a little more trendy, I would say. I like these. I wish these were my size and not the other ones because I would totally keep them. But yeah, just a good casual / running workout shoe. Could be good for cross training too. These definitely have a little bit of dirt on them, but I can clean that up. I'm not worried about that. So size 8 Asics, yeah, these I really like. But again, I'm not a sneaker head or, you know, sneaker reseller, so we'll see how these do. Oh, these look interesting, but potentially cheap. So let's just find out together what they are. So they definitely look trendy with that platform and heel back here very blocky heel. I don't see a brand and they feel very light. So I'm not too confident that these are something good. They also have some scuffing here, but they're this olive green faux leather, I'm gonna say. Boot. Oh, the ASOS. Okay. I'm not sure if you can see that, but we will try. It's in there. I don't know what's up. Never mind. They're size 5, so small size. Not too exciting, but the style I think is really, really cool. I like these. I wouldn't wear them myself, but I feel like that's something that might do well with Gen Z. If you're Gen Z and you disagree, please let me know in the comments if I'm completely off here, but I feel like this is like a Y2K throwback moment. What are you? Oh, we got Madewell. Madewell shoes I do like. Madewell clothing, so-so for me. Also like that these are rubber banded. I like having extra rubber bands for all kinds of stuff. Sometimes I do some tie-dyeing. These are Madewell in a 7.5. They definitely have wear on them, but they're a good little slip-on sandal. Nothing super crazy, nothing super exciting. I'm gonna say it's real leather since it's Madewell, but we'll do some investigating. They definitely have wear and scuffs all over. So probably not a high dollar sale. But yeah, good solid little shoe, 7.5. If you're interested in anything that you see in this video and you want to avoid going through Poshmark or eBay and just buy it directly from me, I would be happy to make some arrangements for that. Just let me know. Okay, rubber band got stuck in a shoe. These are also tiny. Robert something. Robert who? It says Robert something Paris. Size 38, so I'm gonna say these are real leather. Oh, they feel really good too. I'm gonna say these are good shoes. I think it's a C. Robert, and then something with a C that ends in IE. Can you E? I don't even know how to show this properly. I will look this brand up, figure out how to pronounce it, insert a clip, insert a picture, insert what they're worth reselling wise. Okay, friends, so these boots or booties retail for a lot. Like we're talking $600, $700, $800 here. The resale market is all over the place, as you can see here. So I'm hoping I can get at least 50 bucks for them. I have to just see if they have any flaws that I didn't realize they have yet. But I'm very hopeful that these will potentially pay for the entire box. So they're a 38, which I would say 7.5 probably, maybe a 7. These look really small actually, but they feel so nice. This leather feels super nice. It's what they call buttery soft, I believe. Love these. Also the chunky heel is really cool. So just because it says Paris on there doesn't mean it has to be something good, but just given how nice they feel, they do have some wear here, but that's okay. Given how nice they feel, they do have the initials on the zipper as well. I will do some research and let you know on the screen or maybe through voiceover what they are and how much I can expect for them. But I think they're probably pretty decent. It doesn't look like a brand I've heard of though, so I don't know. But that doesn't necessarily mean anything. Okay, these are very retro, kind of like wingtip Franco Sardo heels. Another block heel. We're here for it. Franco Sardo down here. Not a brand I usually pick up, but if I get it in a shoebox and it's somewhat cute, I will list it. I'm trying to figure out what size these are. US 7 medium. Leather / man-made upper. Okay. So brown, little wingtip heels. Probably like a 4-inch heel, I would say. So pretty high, but good size and all. So I like these. Okay, these are a Dorsey, I would say, but these are not Madewell. I think these are the Target little ankle Dorsey boots that are meant to look like Madewell, if I remember correctly. These are just universal thread, but they're cute. I will probably list them if they don't have flaws and just let them go for cheap. They are a 7W, so that's good. So wide width shoe in this tan color. Definitely need to stuff them and try to reshape them a little bit, but they feel nice, they look good. I mean, they're cheap, but they have barely been worn, I would say. So not too upset with these. Okay, we get some Sperry's And if these are size 10, they might be mine. Olive green, little casual sneaker. Okay, so I see one issue with them. Small issue. Not huge issue. I don't know where you keep your sizes. Small issue that I see is that somebody put one of those cushioning things in the back here. I will take that out, disinfect the crap out of these shoes, all of them really. And yeah, see what I can do. Oh, they have a very nice insole. Okay, I need to find a size on these, or I need to just try them on because I have a feeling they could be a size 10. And if they are, they might just be mine. Sperry, where do you hide your size? Haha, it's in the back where the cushioning thing was on the other one. So these are a size, oh really, 9 medium, leather upper. TBD if these are for sale or not. I do like this olive green, and I do like a good little comfort casual shoe that goes with everything that I can wear to the office, but also for thrifting and to the bins and etc. Ooh, what are you? So we'll see. These I'm gonna say are probably nothing exciting, but they look wild. So the brand is Queen Shoes, size 38. I mean, I could be wrong and maybe they're really good, but they have a very interesting kind of peacock pattern. So yeah, I'm gonna list these. I mean, unless they like retail for 10 bucks, then I probably won't. If they're from wish.com, then I will not list them. Also have the comfort thing in them. Good Lord. Can you see that? I mean, I understand it. I would probably do the same if I wore shoes like that. It's just, you kind of have to take it out before you sell them. And for some reason, I think those things are really gross when you take them out because they're not your own. So, I don't know. But when you think about it, cleaning up shoes is always kind of gross. The next one is Tom's, and also a brand I don't really pick up anymore. But these are a little sandal, almost like a gladiator, but not really. Slingback. I would assume this is all in working condition, the buckle, etc. These are a size 9 Toms, and they're in pretty good condition. They do have the square toe, so I think that's gonna help them sell. Is square toe still a thing? I know it was last year. It's not my thing, but anyway. Keep stacking things on these Madewells. I probably should not do that. So Kay keeps getting Rothy's in her boxes. I'm gonna say there are no Rothy's in here, so if you want to turn off, it's fine. But we got some boots. They're Banana Republic, size 6.5. But they're cute. So they're just a little knee-high boot with this little buckle accent. Very, very nice. 6.5 is a little bit small. They're suede. They seem to be in good shape. I have to clean them up a little bit, but that's no problem. I can clean up suede. They do have a zipper closure on the inside, so it goes all the way down. I'll see if they have some sort of style name that I can look up, but I got some Banana Republic in my last box, actually 2 pairs, and I found both of them online, style name and everything, and they're already listed. Okay, we got some Steve Madden. Oh, and these are cool Steve Madden. I like these, and they're leather, and they're a size 9 medium, so good sizes here. Quite a few size 9s. These I need to clean. They have like almost like a patent leather insole. They're the Tina with an H at the end. Anyway, look at how cute these are. They're almost like a tapestry, tweed kind of look with a checkered upper here. Very nice. I like these. They do have some fuzzies in the back, a little bit of wear. And then they have the cone heel. These are cute. Somebody's gonna love these. Size 9. They look smaller than, well, maybe not. Anyway, I think these are really cute. So far I'm listing everything. If I don't find any flaws later, that usually happens at some point. Okay, these are not leather from what I can tell. Have a YKK zipper. And they're cute. So let's figure out together what these are. Another little booty, ankle booty. Nothing on the bottom other than the size. These are size 8. And they are Call It Spring, which is not a great brand, but because they're cute, I'm probably going to list them. They're size, like I said, 8. And they black or brown? Black. Black and then this maroon, red. I like the style of these. They do have, so on one side they have a faux zipper. This is the accent zipper, and then the actual closures on the inside. I think they're really cute. I will most likely list them unless there's something majorly wrong with them. They do have a little bit of scuffing here. But who knows, maybe I can get 15-20 bucks for them. Okay, Okay, I feel like I've heard of this brand, but I don't know in what context, so I'm curious to research it. They definitely look like good quality shoes. They also look like men's shoes, if you ask me. Do they have a size? Is that a size? I don't know what that is. Is that an 8? That's not an 8. They're bigger than that. Okay, so the brand is Wolf and Shepherd. And these are either really expensive or just not, I guess. They have a sticker made in Portugal on one of them, but I don't know what size these are. Oh, never mind. 9.5. Okay, these look big for a 9.5. Okay, so they're a little loafer. I want to say driving loafer. Okay, they have this little logo in the back. I feel like they're very lightweight, but they look like they're quality. Most likely leather. Yep, leather upper, leather insole, and then I think just rubber sole down here. Very unisex too. So I'm curious to research this brand, and I'll pop more information on the screen as well. All right, last pair. We got more Steve Madden. And this might be a pair that I'm not going to list, if I want to be honest, just because I'm just bored looking at them. And they probably have issues. I mean, they have a lot of wear and scraping and scratches and scuffs, but they're just your classic kitten heel, open toe, peep toe, Steve Madden, black, oh my god, black high heel, which might sell, might not, I don't know. Here's the thing. I ain't mad at Steve Madden. I like his shoes. I like his jackets. But for reselling, yeah, not so much. And I also don't know where he hides his sizes. Probably back here where, again, there's like the cushiony thing, which I'm not going to peel out right now. But I would say probably a size 7 to 8. Yeah, maybe smaller. Maybe a 6.5 to 7. 7. Let's say 7. This is the last pair in my box. Box is empty. And that's all she wrote. I didn't count them, but I'm going to assume these are exactly 15. I am definitely happy with this box. I'm very curious to learn about some of these brands that I've never heard of before. I definitely think I can make a profit on this box and potentially keep 1 or 2 pairs for myself. Clogeri? Don't know. I'm so curious to figure out how much I'm messing up this name. But they feel so nice. They look nice. They're in good condition. So hopefully that'll be a winner. And then these I don't have high hopes for, but they're cute as hell. And then also the Wolf and Shepherd. No idea what this brand is, but let's just hope it's something good. The rest is pretty solid, and I think I can sell pretty much all of them. Again, the only pair as of right now, just looking it over, that I will probably not list would be these Steve Maddens. Yeah, good ThredUp box. I'm still not cured from my little ThredUp addiction. I'm curious to see what Kay got in her box. We're not officially collabing on this video, at least not as of right now. Maybe we are, and then I'll have to redo the intro, but I'm curious to see what she got in that box. It was a steal, so I'm definitely happy with what I received for the price that I paid. And I will probably keep ordering ThredUp boxes. Not right now, because I do have to list all of these, and I still have some clothing I need to photograph and list. And I'm actually out of items to list that I already photographed. So I'm gonna get around to that right now. It's 20 after 9 and I need to get productive, but I will see you guys soon in another video. This done. Cheers!